speaking. I will do a short tutorial how to create a short from a live show on YouTube. First of all, you need to have an Android phone or install bluestacks app player for Windows 10. I'm using that so I can record the screen with my streaming software. Now I'll start up YouTube once you've installed it from Play Store, and then go up the top here and so see your channels, so you can just see your videos. Then you can choose your tabs where you got a video, or you can scroll down on your home tab if you got various playlists. And I'll just select one for the demonstration, and I'll choose the 3-finger alien hand. Click on that one. It'll come up with ads, don't worry about that, just hit the remix button and then it'll bring up your app once you click on edit into shorts. Start over. Okay, there we go. So you got a choice of choosing 60 seconds or 15 by clicking up here. By doing that, we'll choose 60 seconds, and we can choose any time up to 60 seconds. So sometimes it's best just to do a little bit less than 60 seconds. There's 49. There's 58 if I zoom in. 55 I mean, 0.8. That'll do. And you can choose one eye for a wide screen. And we've got no functions yet to scale that down to zoom in or out, unfortunately. It is what it is. It'll just get better with time, I guess. So, and you can't change it while it's processing either. So yeah, you got to scroll through your video to find a spot where you want to start recording from. Choose a place, hit next, that'll do. Now I'll process, takes about depending on your speed of your system, 1 minute to 5 minutes I guess, and your internet speed. So it's almost halfway. I guess it downloads the full video into your system and then clips it and then re-uploads it. So I'm on fiber, so I can download quite fast. Now it's just using the GPU to process. And here's the clip. And it's giving you a preview, and all you have to do now is click on the next button. And you just give it a title up here. Alien and Hoax is a Californian sea lion flipper. That's decayed, yeah, that's decayed and used to promote his museum. What's his name? Forget his name. Museum. And once you've got I think you got your spelling right. It looks like there's no underlines apart from that. And just click on upload. And that's that. Give it a few minutes to upload. And it should appear in your shorts folder. As that simple. But ideally it would be best to go into the videos tab and edit and add some tags and all the other information, because this doesn't ask for it. So I hope you found that easy to follow. I'll see you again soon. So you can go into your studio now, go to the video tab, and you can see that your latest short is added under videos. I think they will make a tab called shorts next, because they've got a live tab and a videos tab, and they need to separate it from the regular uploads. But here's the one we just created, and I'm going to correct the typo of decade to decade, and I've already done it here. But that's where you would change it. So yeah, and you can see here we can't change the thumb, so you have to stick with the one they choose, which is generally in the middle of the video. You can add it to playlists. In my case, I add it to shorts 1 and shorts. And you can give it a description and some tags in the first line here. That shows up under the video, where if you do it with the tags further down, they do not show up under the video title. They're quite handy to do it in the description. So instead of adding tags here, but you could add extra ones. Seal. Spelled wrong, was it? Let's just zoom in. No, that's right, I got it right. It's just I got bad eyes. I've only got one eye basically. Flipper until I get an operation. Flipper. Fraud. Hoax. And whatever you want to put there really. I try and avoid anything that says UFO, aliens, although really it is alien flipper. So, but yeah, because Google suppresses channels that talk about that sort of stuff and conspiracies, and you can change the category if you want to, but I suppose this fits under science and technology. And we'll leave it in that one. Then you can just save it, so you can treat it like a normal video. So I don't think there was any spelling mistakes. But you never know. But it's pretty good to me, and that's it. So I'll see you again in the future with another tutorial or live stream. Let's see if it'll stop it.